Hi, I'm Hillary. I'm Jenny's daughter, and I am excited to be with you today to open day number 22 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box. Let's see what we have today. We've got this one. What could it be? Let's see. These are the cutest packaging, those cute little snowflakes. And inside. It's my favorite author! This is a novella series. There's 2 of them in there by Hillary Sperry. It's me. It's called Handmade Mysteries, and they are 2 super fun novellas. Some of you may be familiar with them because they were previously published in block, but they have gotten a brand new, fresh edit. They are so fun, and I'm really excited for you to read them. I've also included in here a couple of little tutorials that you can quilt as you go when you read your stories. And if you're more of a listener, then you can scan this QR code right here in the front of the book and listen to Jenny narrate. And when you're ready to get back to sewing, Chuck's here to keep your place for you. I really had a lot of fun writing this book, and I hope you guys have just as much fun reading it. Happy holidays, everyone.